All right, we're done. It's cut on the silhouette. I have all my stones out and ready. Since I'm doing two separate types of stones, I'm doing the by Thread Art, the Hot Fix Rhinestone SS10, and I'm doing the red. And then I also have by Thread Art, I have Massive Bees crystal stones. These two are SS10s, and they are the clear stones, as you can see. Okay, so we cut out on the silhouette. I've already pulled it off, and on this part, the Still Works will be in the clear, and of course we know the blood will be in the red. So we'll put that aside, and now you'll see where I have placed my stones. Sorry, let me adjust here. So I have the stones adjusted. I guess I had more than one. I have a couple of them still lingering. Okay, the blood still works. The blood still works. So I have to make sure that all my stones are turned correctly. As I can see, some had flipped, and I'm gonna make sure that none of the stones are missing or have extra, which I'm finding extras, which is okay. So now I'll take my adhesive. This is the fun part, because you want to make sure that they lay correctly. All right. Yay me. Some did slip, so that's a good thing about this. You can always just pop them back in. Awesome. And of course, the shirt is for me. But if you like it, let me know in the comments, or you can go on and email me at info@spicywyne, SPYCYNE.com, and I will make sure you get it. Okay? And we'll be back. Okay, I'm prepping my shirt, and of course you just prep it to get the moisture out of it a few minutes, and then it also helps with the centering of the shirt and your design, so you won't be off. Now when I'm doing a bling shirt, usually when I do a bling, I get some cardstock, some heavy cardstock, And I personally put it under because I don't want the indentation from the bling to go in the back of the shirt. So I pretty much put it where the design is actually going to go, and then that way I won't get the indentation on the back of the shirt. I'm using my HTVRont press, and I have this little doodad to help me do my placement. So I showed you the actual bling, and I put it on this carrier sheet until I got ready to do what I needed to press. So now I'm going to take it off the carrier sheet. Which is a task for me. I just lost a stone. But I can always put it where it needs to go. That's the fun part of it. Place it right back in its spot. The stones didn't adhere to the carrier sheet like they should have, but they're all popping off for some reason. Okay, come on now. I don't want to get too deep and religious, but the enemy do not want me to do this shirt because it knows the blood still works. The blood still works. This is getting on this shirt. Trust me. Because the blood still works. It never loses its power. And of course, the enemy ain't gonna win. Not in this one. Okay, I'm pressing at 325 for 20 seconds. I only have 15 on the machine, so I'm gonna count out 5 more once it beeps. But the enemy did not win, and the blood still works. Yes. Have a great day.